Hala ka! Karoon pa na ako napansin, wala yung audio guys! Oh my God! Kaya palang hina. Hi! Because oh my God, I just, oh my God, Dave, sayang yung 29 minutes na sigong yaw-yaw. Hi guys! So I just realized that I don't have audio in my live. Oh my God, because I was doing a silent live stream last night, guys. Okay, so I forgot to turn on my mic. Oh my God! So nag-live ako ng 30 minutes na walang audio, Dave. 30 minutes na ako nag-live na walang audio because kung wala ka nag-message diyan na wala yung audio, wala ako kabalo. Hala, silent ka na ako ganina pa. Hala, oo, kay nag-silent live ko 2 days, di ba? Hala, Dave, kay nag-silent live ko for 2 days. Nag-silent live ako for 2 days. So, hindi ko na-on yung audio, guys. Okay? So, I have been speaking here for, I have been speaking here for 30 minutes without the audio, guys. I'm really sorry about that. I didn't notice it, okay? Because, you know, these past few days I wasn't feeling well. And then, I forgot to turn on my mic, okay? If not because of Bernadette Alcontin here, I didn't realize that I don't have any audio in my leg, guys. I'm really sorry about that, okay? So we have to restart again, all right? So hi guys, you are watching Daphne and Victoria 777 here. Live from Davao City. My name is Daphne, guys. I'm really sorry for the last 30 minutes that there is no audio in my live, guys, because I forgot to turn back on my my mic here in my live because I was just doing live silent live stream in the past 2 nights. Okay, so since that I didn't able to do live because I was too weak to do so. All right. So my name is Daphne here. You're watching me live from Davao City. Okay. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. And you can also click like to this live right now. Thank you for watching me, and you can also support me. You can also support our channel by super thanks, super stickers, and super comments. It really means a lot to me and my kids, guys. Alright? To all of you guys who's watching me around the world, good day to all of you guys. God bless you and me. And stay positive in life no matter what. And then, if you really would like to, someone to talk to, you can always message me here in my live, okay? You can always message me here in my live. I can always interact with you, alright? Ayan. So I just realized that I have an audio here because earlier, 30 minutes ago, I don't have any audio. Thank you so much, Bernadette Alcontin, for telling me that I don't have any audio. Hello, Sir Graham.